Check out this Kia 2021 Seltos S Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 175 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto shifts transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.